Russia's invasion of Ukraine is getting terrible day by day and the war continues unabated. But what is making this war thrilling and exciting? AI will compress decision time frames and will result in speedy military responses which alone humans cannot handle. This war has somehow formed a playing field for proving superpowers of artificial intelligence for the ill and for the good. 2. This war is somehow now a test case for the role of super AI technology in modern warfare. Technology is playing a vital role in the war, and with every possible thing in hands of AI, tech has to make some tough calls during the war to prove its super use cases. What is exactly happening in the war, and how is this new technology helping crazy Russia to take a step forward for their victory in the war? Hey AI lovers, welcome back to AI Science, where everything rolled around fascinating and latest news about AI and its interesting applications in the developing tech world. For all such news and updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of those crazy AI updates. So let's get started with Russia's smart play and look into how this tech adoption turns the tide. How can we forget Russia dominating World War II with their innovative tanks to being a leader in cybersecurity space? Russia has always been a step forward in the brisk weaponizing of new technologies. Is Russia a chief player in AI? Russia might not be a groundbreaker in the global AI race, but still, the force proved how crucial AI is, not only for Russia but for all humankind. Be it in healthcare, education, warfare, or might be another sector, whoever becomes the leader in the AI sphere will be probably the one to become the ruler of the world. The Russian president once exclaimed, "Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia but for all humankind. It comes with colossal opportunities but also threats that are difficult to predict. Whoever becomes the leader in this sphere will become the ruler of the world." This statement is truly said, and their deeper understanding is clearly evident through Russia's tech gains in the ongoing war. How AI is playing a crucial role in the war? Russia has excelled enormously in AI commercial space now, and this is clearly visible through enhancements of military capabilities because of AI. AI space is endless. The deeper you dive in, the more you'll be finding its astonishing use cases. Russia has taken a really deep dive into AI space and enormously used AI applications in every space. When specifically talking about AI military-driven systems, Russia, for almost a couple of years, is now ramping up its military capabilities. What has Russia developed for enhancing capabilities? Number 1. National Defense Management Center. When Russia analyzed the defense system from scratch, they found that strong coordination is a core value to be inculcated between various military units. After analyzing the need for coordination to improve in this area, they designed a hierarchical National Defense Management Center. This unit works entirely on AI-based software. They help human operators to make a superior decision using AI. Not only does this center advise or help human force, but with this amazing system, they can easily figure out the status and state of Russian forces and military units both on domestic and international fronts. Number 2. Msda Sm2 This incredible application of tech in warfare weapons has made Russia powerful. This Msda Sm weapon is constructed with a smart technology that has inbuilt automated guidance and a fire control system for howitzers. This low-velocity shotgun is an innovative breed of self-propelled, robotized artillery system with increased range. Apart from these smart high-precision shells, the information by each armed force vehicle can be shared with the battalion and battery command posts. So every shot fired by a combat vehicle at the battleground, all of those active vehicles will receive a message. This AI tech-enabled weapon will assist in better coordination attack and efficient use of firepower at the battlegrounds. Number 3. Altius. Altius is equipped with artificial intelligence and is one of the best weapons by Russia. This is an independent unmanned vehicle that directly interacts with manned aircraft like Russia's 5th-generation fighter Su-57. The drone coordinates and aims at a target point. After that, Altius creates an algorithm and finds the best and optimum route to the target. After running algorithms and finding the optimum route, Altius independently calculates suitable points to drop bombs and finally returns to its base by plotting the safest route from all the available routes. Apart from all of this coordination stuff and dropping of bombs at a targeted location, Altius is capable of lifting tons of bombs and missiles and can even conduct reconnaissance operations. Amazing use of AI, isn't it? Number 4. Marker. The next incredible and thrilling weapon, called Marker, is developed with a super combination of advanced research funds and NP Android technology. This unmanned group vehicle Marker is specifically built for helping Russian soldiers on the battlefield. Marker can independently pursue some of the tasks and is also qualified enough for sharing information. In case of any serious threats, Marker uses a neural network to create swarms for tackling those on the battlefield. Number 5. Russian troll farms using AI. Apart from AI playing its thrilling role in huge and dangerous weapons, this AI tech is definitely sparking a cold war with all the news surrounding the war. Russian troll farms took advantage of AI for making some fake human faces, crusading personas on social media accounts like on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. They designed some 40 to 50 new fake accounts which were identified by Meta. They said these accounts predominantly upload links to pro-Russia and anti-Ukraine content. Russia has strategically equipped AI with different weapons for fighting on the battlefield. We already saw some of those incredible weapons like Altius and Mark, which can control serious threats and coordinate quickly with different combat vehicles. This will save a lot of energy, power, and attack smartly in front of rivals. It's not only Russia, but Ukraine also is into these AI warfare weapons. They are not as qualified or advanced as Russia, but they are using them in the conflict. Ukraine is also equipped with advanced drones with laser technology. They are similar to Altius. They are capable of navigating, targeting, and attacking the aim with safety returns. As we saw in Russia, AI is not consigned strictly to the battlefield. In Ukraine also we have a similar situation. One of the famous applications like TikTok has recently become an information center. They are uploading footage of attacks, misleading content on video game clips, and many such fake acts. There are some other countries like China and the US who have also been into this AI-enabled war equipment for a long time. China and the US started their journey for constructing these weapons for war, but Russia is the one who has actually used these AI-enabled weapons in the war, and those are proven to be really dangerous. For how long has Russia been planning these AI-enabled weapons for warfare? It's no surprise that Russia is so well prepared to attack its rivals. Almost from a couple of years ago, Russia planned significantly to improve and reform the Russian military. They concentrated more on research and development enterprise to figure out where exactly they are lagging. They analyzed and figured out in phases so that they can implement innovative technology like AI perfectly. They reformed and modeled the development based on the Pentagon's Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. These steps clearly demonstrated Russia's seriousness about pitching AI-enabled fighting forces for warfare. They have constructed the armed forces with sensors and shooters so that they can perform with full force on the battlefield. Russia's defense department is widely known as the automated control system of the ACS. With this amazing technology and applications, Russia can receive all the information in real time, and they can analyze it using an automated command and control system embedded with AI elements. AI researchers have deeply affected the war and AI weapons. Most of them are engaging in a deep conversation on social media to figure out what exactly will be the outcome. This could be the first war where advanced technology like AI is playing a vital role. Most of the researchers are excited to know how this technology will help end the current conflict and alleviate human suffering. Do let us know in the comments what you think about Russia's crazy AI-enabled weapons for war. What could be the outcome of the war? And yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for all the news rolling around AI and its applications for the developing tech-enabled world. Do like the video if you liked it and click on the small bell icon to never miss out on any of the updates. That said, see you in the next video.